What's the meaning of cookshop? Cookshop. Cookshop.
Cookshop. Cookshop. A cookshop typically refers to a shop or establishment that sells food and/or kitchen supplies. It can also refer to a workshop or class where cooking skills are taught. The focus is on the preparation and cooking of food. Cookshops may sell fresh ingredients, kitchen tools, and recipe books. They may also offer cooking classes or workshops to teach people how to prepare various dishes. In short, a cookshop is a place where people go to learn about cooking, sharpen their skills, and purchase supplies to create delicious meals at home.